Welcome back to Data Finance 365. Looks like we have some good news. TikTok is already back online. Less than 24 hours after the app went dark yesterday, TikTok says that President-elect Donald Trump has given it reassurance that it needs to resume services in the US. Let's take a look at the article from Wired, and I just checked my TikTok account. It is back online. I'm so excited because I had spent almost 2 years building a very vibrant car review community with over 30 million views in a single year and well close to 200,000 followers. So let's see what everyone is talking about here. Starting with this article from Wired, it says that less than 24 hours after going dark, TikTok says it's back online after President-elect Donald Trump gave the company's service providers, presumably Apple, Google, and Oracle, reassurance that his administration wouldn't enforce a law banning the app in the first place. In agreement with our service providers, TikTok is in the process of restoring service, the company went on to say in a written statement. We thank President Trump for providing the necessary clarity and assurance to our service providers that they will face no penalties providing TikTok to over 170 million Americans and allowing over 7 million small businesses to thrive. It's a strong stand for the First Amendment and against arbitrary censorship. And this is what I've always thought, that this is nothing about national security, but it's just about censorship. We work with President Trump on a long-term solution that keeps TikTok in the United States. The article goes on to say that it's the latest salvo in the dramatic fight over TikTok's future in the US. Now, let's take a look at what happened yesterday. For most viewers, for most people with TikTok accounts, the app went dark some minutes to midnight. At least for me on the West Coast, it went dark some minutes after 9 p.m., which I think aligns with the East Coast time zone. Everyone got a message that TikTok is unavailable in the US and gone from the app stores. As it said, for the first time in internet history, the United States government has officially banned a major global social media platform, joining the ranks of authoritarian regimes like Russia and China. On Saturday, TikTok officially went dark. Users who went to attempt to access the app were greeted with a message that said, TikTok isn't available right now. And the message went on to say, and I quote, "We are fortunate that President Trump has indicated that he will work with us on a solution to reinstate TikTok once he takes office." The message adds, "Please stay tuned." And now we have it, less than 24 hours, TikTok is back online. This goes to show you that the president has a significant amount of goodwill with the American people, because they said this isn't about national security, it's about censorship. And as you saw here, it would have affected over 7 million small businesses. That's a large percentage of small businesses affected because of what most people see as broad censorship of TikTok. Now, I'm so happy to see it back, and this is just breaking news tonight that TikTok is already back online thanks to assurances from President-elect Trump that he'll work with TikTok to ensure that it's reinstated. And that's it. Data Finance 365.